Hello and welcome to Sew with Christine. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this bubu dress with a snatched waistline. So kindly subscribe, like and share this video. You want to turn your notification bell on so you get notified whenever I post tutorials. So here on my fabric, I'm going to roll out my starting line. From this line, I'm going to take down the bust point measurement, which is 10 inches. After marking down the bust point measurement, I'm going to mark down the waistline measurement, which is 16 inches. And I'm going to mark down the hip line measurement, which is 24 inches. After marking down these points, I'm just going to rule a straight line over them like so. Next, I will go to the center front and I'm just going to mark down 1 inch. This 1 inch is what we'll use for the front slit opening. Thereafter, I'm going to take the neck width measurement, which is 3 inches. So I'm just going to mark down 3 inches there. Then for the neck depth, I'm also going to use 3 inches. After marking, I'm going to connect the points to form a round neckline. Then from this 1 inch that I marked at the center front, I'm going to mark down 17.5 inches. Kindly note that I have just added the sleeve measurement to the main dress. So from this part here, I'm going to come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then I would connect this to meet with the neckline. After that, I'm going to mark now the arm width. So from this shoulder slope point, I'm going to come down by 9 inches. Next, I'm going to take down the measurements for the waistline. So on this waistline, I will go in from the edge here by 3 inches. Then on the hip line, I will go in by 2 inches. I'm not using the exact waist and hip measurements because this is a bubu gown. So I've just connected all the points down to the hemline, and I'll go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to cut open the center front because at the front there will be a slit there. So that is why I'll have to cut this part open. After cutting, I'll go to the center front here and come down by 3.5 inches for the neckline opening. For the slit opening, I'm going to measure 35 inches from the shoulder. So from this point here, I'm going to sew down to this point here. Next is the drafting of the back. So at the back here, I'm going to come down by 1 inch for the neck depth, and the neck width remains 3 inches. So I'm just going to mark down 3 inches and connect that to the 1 inch depth. So now we have our back neckline. Next, I'm going to mark down 17.5 inches like I marked for the front part. So on this, we'll be having an excess 1 inch here. So for me, I'm just going to come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope and connect this. And I'll come down by 9 inches for the sleeve width. On the waistline here, I'm going to mark down the 1 inch that we had first before marking the 3 inches. I'll do the same for the hip. I'm going to mark out the 1 inch excess, then go in by 2 inches. After marking that, I'm going to connect all the points together and I will just extend the line to the hem. So from here, we'll move on to the stitching process. But before we do that, guys, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. And if you do not want to miss out on more tutorials from me, do turn your notification bell on. I'm going to bring in the front piece, then I will introduce the facing to this front piece. You can make use of facing when sewing this dress, or you can make use of a bias, but for this tutorial I'll be making use of facing. Before I attach my facing to this dress, I'm going to close the center front up. I'll start my stitching from the 3.5 inches beneath the neckline, and I'm going to end at the 35 inches length from this point to the other. Once I'm done stitching that, I'm going to stitch the shoulders of the back parts to the shoulders of the front. Then I'm also going to stitch the facing. I'm going to join the facing of the front to that of the back this way. So I'm done stitching all the areas up. This is the facing. I've just laid this right side of the facing towards the right side of the dress. That is, right side is facing right side. Then from this center, I'm going to mark 1 inch away from the center front. On the neckline, I'll be using 0.5 inch seam allowance. Then at the center front here, I'm going to take 1 inch seam allowance. So I'm done stitching my facing to the main dress. I'll just go ahead and notch all around the neckline like this. After notching, I'm just going to cut off this excess at the tip of the neckline slits. I'll cut this tip off and I'll also cut the other tip very close to the stitching line. Thereafter, I'm going to tuck this facing in towards the wrong side. I'm going to iron this out. After ironing, I will use my hemming glue to hem the facing into the dress. You can stitch the facing down with your sewing machine, or you can hand stitch using the hemming stitch, or you can make use of your hemming glue. So I've gone ahead to use my hemming glue to glue this to the dress, and this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to fold the slits inward. This 1 inch that I have at the center front, I'm just going to fold this inward this way and stitch it downward. I'll do the stitching for this part and for the other side. Next is to achieve the snatch waistline. To achieve that, I'm going to come down to the waistline. I'm just trying to mark that out so it will be visible. Then from the center front here on the waistline, I'm going to mark 5 inches. On this 5 inches, I'm going to bring in my belt. This is the belt that I'm going to be using. So the length of this belt is about 24.5 inches. So I'm just going to fold the tip of the belt inward this way and place it onto this marked area. I'll take this to the machine and sew directly onto this belt. Then I'll do the same thing for the other side. So I've gone ahead to attach my belt to both parts of the front piece. Next, I'm going to fold in the sleeve this way. Once I'm done with that, I will close up the side seam. After closing up the side seams, I'm going to hem the base of this dress. This is it. I'm done closing up all the necessary areas, and this is what we have here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.